Welcome to another quick and helpful guide. If you're someone who uses Instagram mainly on your PC and you've been wondering how to comment on someone's note after the latest updates, you're in the right place. Sometimes these changes can catch us off guard, but don't worry. I'll walk you through the process with simple step-by-step instructions. First, let's open Instagram in your web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, just type instagram.com into your address bar and hit enter. Log in with your username and password if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Instagram page, take a look at the left-hand side menu. That's where you'll find all the important sections including your feed, explore, and, most importantly for this tutorial, the messenger icon. Click on the messenger icon, which looks like a little paper airplane. This will open up your direct messages and notes from friends and family. If you're not familiar, notes are those short, disappearing messages that pop up at the top of your inbox. They're a great way to share quick thoughts or updates with your close connections. Now, find the note you want to reply to. It should be listed at the top of your inbox, often right above your ongoing chats. Click on the note itself. This will bring up a small text box where you can type your response. Go ahead and write your message, just like you would in a regular chat. Think of something friendly, supportive, or fun, whatever fits the mood of the conversation. Once you've written your comment, look for the send button. It's usually a little paper airplane icon or a simple send label, depending on your browser and Instagram's current layout. Click it, and your message will be sent directly as a reply to that note. That's it. You've successfully commented on someone's note from your PC. If you ever get stuck, just remember these steps. Open Instagram in your browser, click on Messenger, choose the note you want, type your message, and hit send. It really is that simple. Now you're ready to stay connected and engage with your friends' notes, no matter what device you're using. Thanks for tuning in. Happy commenting.